What is the significance of balancing public interest and privacy in high-profile cases? If you've ever wondered why the media sometimes can't reveal certain details about famous people or high-profile cases, you're about to find out. The balance between public interest and privacy is a delicate one, and it's crucial in high-profile cases. Imagine a situation where a well-known person is involved in a scandal. The public might be curious, but does that mean the media should reveal every detail? Here's where the concept of balancing public interest and privacy comes in. In cases like CTB v. News Group Newspapers Limited, the court had to decide between two competing rights: the right to respect for private and family life, and the right to freedom of expression. The judge had to perform a balancing exercise to see which right was more important in that specific situation. For instance, if the information is very personal and there's no real public interest in disclosing it, the right to privacy usually prevails. In the CTB case, the judge decided that the footballer's extramarital affair was not in the public interest and therefore granted an injunction to protect his privacy. Journalists also face this dilemma. They need to respect privacy while still investigating stories that are in the public interest. This means they have to be clear about their motives and ensure that any invasion of privacy is justified by a genuine need to expose wrongdoing or corruption. When deciding whether to reveal private information, several factors come into play. First, there needs to be a reasonable expectation of privacy on the part of the individual. Second, the court or journalist must consider whether there are any countervailing considerations, such as the public interest or the right to freedom of expression. For public figures, the balance is even more complex. In the United States, public figures have almost no right to privacy if the information is of public concern. However, there are arguments that public figures should still have some right to privacy, especially when the information is not necessary for the public to know. In class actions and other legal proceedings, the trial court must also balance the public interest in accessing judicial records against the party's interest in keeping those records secret. The greater the public interest, the more stringent the requirements for sealing those records. The significance of this balance lies in protecting individuals from unnecessary intrusion while ensuring that the public is informed about matters that are genuinely in their interest. It's about respecting people's privacy while also allowing for the free flow of information that is necessary for a functioning society. So, the next time you see a news story where some details are left out, it's likely because the media and the courts are carefully balancing the need for public information against the need to protect individual privacy. This balance is essential for maintaining both personal dignity and public transparency.